Hey guys, my name is Khaled and welcome back to another video. So a new format of video, it's giveaway time. I thought it's about time. I'll explain it after the intro, so stay tuned and make sure you watch till the end. Alright, so let's get straight to the point. I'm going to keep it short and concise. So not so long ago, my Google Stadia video started to gain a lot of traction and I set a little target for my audience. If I can get to 60 likes, then I'll be doing a giveaway on the Google Stadia. Alright, so at the time of recording, we're on 58. Hopefully by the time it's out, I'll be close to 60, if not slightly over. You know what? Scrap that idea, okay? Because even if we don't hit 60 likes, 58 is still a massive milestone and I can't thank you guys enough. I remember when I first started this channel, I was like, oh, why isn't anyone viewing my content? But over the past few months, I have been receiving a lot of positive comments. I've been receiving a lot of likes, so I can't thank you guys more than enough. And I thought it's about time to do a giveaway. Initially I was going to do a giveaway when I hit 50 videos, but then 200 subscriber mark is sort of coming closer as well, and I set a challenge and you guys pretty much met it. Okay, actually, talking about subscribers, I had around 220, but for some reason 22 to 23 people decided to unsubscribe. I mean, I can't be that bad, right? I mean, my content isn't, and I actually, looking at my content, you guys are probably right, and yeah, I can see why I'm losing subscribers, but you know, I want to keep on grinding, keep on making content, and hopefully I'll bore you enough so you'll just end up subscribing. And moving on to the next point. Now, thank you very much to the 197 subscribers. I love you so much. You guys are helping this channel grow and to produce more content, but 97% of you who watch my content, you're not subscribed. I mean, what are you doing? Come on guys, I mean, I understand for a small channel a ratio to about 85 to 15 is fine, but under 3% people who are subscribed are watching my content whilst 97% of you are not. I mean guys, if you are watching my content, then do hit that subscribe button. Try to help out a small content creator, not forcing you in any way, so you don't have to, you can still watch it, but it will be nice to get a few more subscribers and turn them into viewers. Alright, so I can keep on talking, keep on waffling, keep on ranting all day, but that's not what you're here for. You're here for the competition, okay? Alright, so in order to enter the competition and to fulfill the requirements, you need to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, you have to leave a comment, because that's the way I'll find out who the winner is. Okay, so this competition will run from the 2nd of December at 2 p.m. and will end on the 12th of December at 2 p.m. I'll let the winner know around on the 13th or 14th, and it will be announced via video at the beginning of the video, so make sure you subscribe to find out who the winner is. And for example, if we get 50 submissions, you get 1 in 50 chance of winning. If we get 100, then you got 1 in 100, not too great. And for that particular reason, I'm going to put in a secondary prize if we get more than 100 submissions, okay? Because 1 in 50 chance is quite good, it gives you a chance to win, but 1 in 100 doesn't sound as good. So if we get 100 submissions, the second prize winner will get a $30 Amazon gift card, and it will be country specific. If I can't give you a gift card, some sort of money equivalent will be provided, so don't worry about that. We'll sort out the logistics once I've emailed you and we found out who the winner is. And you know what, I'm feeling extremely generous. Okay, so in one of my videos I have a cameo from Shrek. If you can give me the title of the video and provide me with a timestamp, you immediately win $20, okay? And that's the first person to get it wins the $20. Very quick, easy money, and I'll give you a clue. Shrek makes a cameo in the last 45 videos, okay? Alright guys, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, then thank you very much for watching. I hope you did, by the way. Make sure you do have a look at the description box below, because I'll have explicit instructions on how to apply for an entry and a potential chance of winning. Bear in mind, you'll get the Google Stadia and the $20 regardless of entries, but if I get more than 100 submissions, then I'll also include another $30 for the second prize winner. So altogether, there are 3 prizes to be won. And as always guys, if you did enjoy the content, then do hit that like button. If you want more tech related stuff, then consider subscribing. And as always, stay safe, look after yourself. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.